Spanish Bear 1994 here. Hold on a second. It's gonna show you. Finally got this. I don't really have to cut scissors with the tape. Oh, I got it. Let's see. Look at this. Oh, guys, look at that. It's a new back. A hellish ball. Okay, let me take it out. Finally got it. Finally, I'm using it for faint parts. Upside down. Look how it looks. The Flixel Moxie Melee. Alright, I'm gonna use this. I remember the time the other one. I still have the other one in the room. And what the? Where's that thing that sippets? Wait. Oh, here it is. Let me see if I can zip it. There we go, there we go. See how it looks? Time to zip it. Trying to close it. It finally came in the mail today. See if I can close it. Oh boy. This one's perfect. There we go. I zipped it. You know, everything about the Hellish Balls backpack is using it for faint parts. I like this one. How do you think? Comment below if you want to know about it. Have it. But everything of the I'm gonna use it, and then sometimes like the backpack is just perfect enough, so I could put things in it. Oh, what was that? No, I don't know. It's just it's made of something. And let's really didn't get dirty because I need to use this. Alright, you can go ahead and subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell. I hope you like this video, give you a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Until next time, just press the like button. Bye bye.